headed up north to go put money down on our Wood Mizer. You excited?
Excited and scared. Kind of spooky because it's a big investment, but it's something that's needed.
Definitely.
It's, we're driving 4 hours and fighting traffic and bumps and trash to pick one, to go pay for one that, we don't see for a year. But it's definitely a life changer, but it's a big, scary investment.
Yeah. So, in case you're not aware, when you get a Wood Mizer, you should definitely call ahead of time. They're not open on the weekends, and unless you're paying everything up front, depending on the model that you want, there's all the different things going. Right now, they have a deal where they're throwing in some extras for the same price, so you're not actually paying the extras because they're so far out. So for us, it's about a year and 3 months before we'll actually see it, unless that list dwindles down. And it's a $500 deposit down to get started, and then depending on your model. And what model are we looking at?
We're doing the LT28 on the trailer. We're getting the automatic log roller and the winch and all the badass shit we need.
Definitely.
It's Wood Mizer doesn't have like subsidiaries. Like, they own the dealers, so there's not a dealership that buys the Wood Mizers that you buy from the dealers. Everything is owned by Wood Mizer. So if you live in, say you live somewhere in Missouri, you might have to go to Kansas City to a Wood Mizer dealer.
About same with the cutting, I think. Oh man. Oh, right. I thought it was that going on top of that.
Yeah. You went to.
Let's go up easy. Okay, that should be better. All right, we'll try that. I don't know if we need that or not, but probably not. Going through something like that, it looks through pretty quick.
Yeah,
Okay.
that was pretty cool.
And with it being on a single mount on the head instead of a dual mount like that, is that single mount cut pretty true?
Okay, well, this one is kind of deceiving because it's only supported on this side. That side just slides up and down. So that
really?
side still floats.
Okay.
And they're gonna cut just as accurate.
Okay.
Well, we're on our way home. We are officially on the waiting list. Looks like we ended up buying the LT28, which is a 19 horsepower sawmill. it's pretty cool. We got to see how they didn't have that particular model there, but they had one that was similar. So we got to see how that ran, and it was pretty cool. Wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the downside is we got our official date to pick up our mill, and ooh, there's a baby deer on the side of the road. See that? Looks like our official pickup date is going to be December 2022. Horrible. I was really working it through trying to get it sooner, but I guess not. So if people drop off or change their mind, then obviously we'll move up the list. But that's quite the wait. We're a little bummed about that, but honestly, there's nothing we can do about it. So the journey continues, and now we're just gonna try to find a piece of property and see what we can do with it. So, anything else?
Buy now if you want one.
Yeah,
That way it's not 2026.
Yeah, for serious. You know, they do offer financing, so that's something that you can do. And, you know, the model we got was quite a bit of money with the extras, but for our needs and what we have planned, I think it was absolutely the perfect model. So I think we did good.
We got like the baseline Audi.
Baseline Audi.
Yeah. Yeah, we didn't get their Pinto, we got their decent one, but by no means was it their most expensive.
Sure. Yeah, they definitely have bigger models, but I think we're good with what we have. It definitely will fit our needs. So anyway, we'll have more information on that as it comes. So
A year and a half.
Year and a half, yeah. All right, thanks for watching.